At 68, Arthur had reached a point where even buttoning his shirt felt like a battle. But just days later, he was back outside, tending his garden with ease. No new medication, no expensive treatment, just one small change to something he already had at home. And here's the surprising part. Most people using this today are doing it completely wrong. The real reason joint pain gets worse with age, Arthur's story isn't rare. If you're over 60, you've probably felt it too. That stiffness in the morning, the slow aching knees, the discomfort that makes simple movements feel exhausting, opening a jar, climbing stairs, even holding a cup steadily. These things shouldn't feel difficult, but over time, they do. And most people assume it's just aging, but that's not the full story. The hidden problem no one explains: joint pain isn't just wear and tear. Inside your joints, something else is happening. A quiet, ongoing inflammation, like a low flame that never fully goes out. This inflammation slows down circulation in the area, and when blood flow drops, nutrients can't reach the joint properly, waste builds up, healing becomes slower, so the discomfort stays, or gets worse. The mistake almost everyone makes now. Here's where most people go wrong. They hear about black seed oil, so they take it straight from the bottle, cold, rub it quickly onto the painful area and expect results, but nothing really changes, so they give up. What Arthur did differently: Arthur didn't use more oil. He didn't use a special brand. He changed one simple thing. He warmed it. That's it. The exact method, simple but powerful. Here's what he started doing. Took a bottle of pure cold-pressed black seed oil, placed it in a cup of warm water, left it there for about 5 to 10 minutes. Just enough to bring it close to body temperature. Important: never heat it directly or microwave it. This can damage the beneficial compounds once ready. He poured a small amount into his hands and gently massaged it into his joints. Not quickly, not aggressively, slow, steady, and consistent for about 3 to 5 minutes. Why this small change makes a big difference when the oil is slightly warm? Something important happens. Your skin becomes more receptive, muscles and tissues relax. Circulation improves in that area, and this is where it matters most. Black seed oil contains a natural compound called thymoquinone. It's known for supporting the body's response to inflammation. But here's the catch. If the oil just sits on the surface, its impact is limited. Warming, it helps it absorb more effectively, getting closer to where it's actually needed. Think of it this way: using cold oil is like leaving a package at your front door. Warmed oil, that's like bringing it inside, exactly where it belongs. What this meant for Arthur? This wasn't just about easing discomfort. It meant moving without hesitation, feeling more in control of his body, getting back to the simple things he enjoyed, and those small wins add up to a better quality of life. Why most people still don't see results even now? Many people skip the warming step entirely, rush through the application, or use low-quality, diluted oil, and when nothing changes, they assume the method doesn't work. But often it's not the remedy, it's the way it's used. Now here's something just as frustrating as stiff joints. That moment when you walk into a room and suddenly forget why you're there. In the next part, we'll look at a simple morning habit involving just a few drops. That may help support mental clarity and focus as you age. You won't want to miss this. Have you ever walked into a room and suddenly stopped because you couldn't remember why you went there? It seems small, almost harmless, but when it starts happening more often, it can quietly shake your confidence in ways you don't expect. The brain fog: most people ignore that cloudy, slow feeling, where your thoughts don't come as easily. It's something many people over 60 begin to notice. You're talking and suddenly lose your point. A familiar name is right there but just out of reach. You know it, but your mind won't cooperate. It's frustrating, and sometimes a little unsettling. But here's something important. Most people don't realize this isn't always about serious memory problems. In many cases, it's about how clearly and efficiently your brain is functioning day to day. Margaret's turning point: Margaret, 72, spent her entire life surrounded by words. As a librarian, she could remember titles, authors, entire storylines without effort. But over time, things began to shift. She found herself losing focus halfway through simple tasks, forgetting details she once knew instantly, struggling to finish things she used to enjoy, and slowly her confidence started slipping. Not because she couldn't think, but because she didn't trust her mind the same way anymore. The simple habit she tried, Margaret, didn't start anything complicated. No major routine, no expensive solutions, just one small habit. Every morning before breakfast, before coffee, before anything else, she placed a few drops of black seed oil under her tongue, held it there, and waited. That was it. Why this method feels different? This part might sound unusual, but it's where things change. Under your tongue is an area rich in tiny blood vessels. Because the skin there is so thin, what you place there can be absorbed more directly. That means it doesn't rely entirely on digestion. It reaches circulation more efficiently. It avoids being heavily broken down first. Think of it like taking a more direct route instead of the long, winding path. Supporting mental clarity from within, black seed oil contains naturally occurring compounds that are often associated with supporting the body's balance. Some researchers suggest these compounds may help protect brain cells from stress, support a healthy inflammatory response, promote clearer, more stable thinking, and here's something interesting. That foggy feeling many people describe, it's increasingly being connected to low-level internal stress and inflammation. What Margaret experienced, Margaret didn't notice anything overnight. But after about 2 weeks, she felt something shift. One morning, she picked up her usual crossword puzzle, and for the first time in over a year, she completed it. Fully. No skipping, no frustration. No giving up halfway. She later told her daughter, "It felt like my mind had finally cleared again." Where most people go wrong, even when people try this, they often miss the key details. They use too much, thinking more is better, swallow it immediately, or forget to stay consistent, and then they expect instant results. But this isn't about intensity, it's about precision and consistency. What actually matters if you're going to try this approach? The difference comes down to using a small, controlled amount, holding it under the tongue briefly, repeating it daily without skipping, a different way to think about it. Sometimes improving how you feel mentally isn't about doing something extreme. It's about small signals, repeated consistently. A few drops each morning can become a quiet way of supporting your brain without overwhelming your body. Now let's talk about something you see every single day. When you look in the mirror and notice your skin becoming drier, thinner, more sensitive than before. In the next part, we'll go over a simple 3-ingredient combination, including one common kitchen item that may help deeply nourish and soothe aging skin. Stay with me. What if the real reason your skin still feels dry, even after using expensive creams, is because it's being covered but never truly nourished? The frustration most people don't talk about as the years go by, your skin starts behaving differently. Not suddenly, but gradually. You begin to notice your hands looking thinner and more delicate, your arms feeling rough to the touch, your face losing that soft, hydrated look it once had, and no matter what you apply, that dryness keeps coming back again and again. Why most moisturizers don't last. Here's something many people don't realize. Most lotions and creams work only on the surface. They form a thin layer over your skin, which feels good for a short time, but underneath, nothing really changes. So after an hour or two, that tight, uncomfortable feeling returns. A simple method that works differently instead of just coating the skin. This approach focuses on supporting it more deeply. And the surprising part, it only uses 3 simple ingredients, things many people already have at home. The 3-ingredient skin blend, here's what you'll need. A small amount of black seed oil raw, unfiltered honey, finely ground oats. That's it. No complicated formulas. No hidden chemicals. How to prepare it in a small bowl? Combine 1/2 teaspoon black seed oil, 1 teaspoon raw honey, 1/2 teaspoon finely ground oats, mix until it becomes a smooth, creamy paste. Quick tip, if you don't have oat flour, just blend regular oats for a few seconds. How to use it properly using clean hands. Gently apply a thin layer to areas that feel dry. Focus on places like hands, arms, face, avoiding the eyes. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. Then rinse with lukewarm water using soft circular motions. Pat your skin dry. Why this combination feels different? Each ingredient has a specific role. Black seed oil supports the skin's natural barrier and helps reduce dryness. Raw honey draws moisture into the skin and helps keep it there. Oats, the underrated ingredient, calm irritation and help soothe sensitive, uncomfortable skin. Oats have been used for generations to ease dryness and reduce that itchy, irritated feeling. What makes this stand out? This isn't just something you apply and forget. It acts more like a short treatment session for your skin, helping to ease discomfort, improve how your skin feels, restore a sense of softness and balance. The one mistake that ruins it. Many people try something like this, but miss one important detail. They use regular processed honey, the clear store shelf kind, but that version has often been stripped down, losing much of what makes honey useful in the first place. For this to work properly, it needs to be raw, unfiltered. That's where the real difference lies. What you might notice even after one use, many people describe softer feeling skin, less tightness, a more comfortable texture, and with repeated use, your skin may start to feel more balanced over time. Take a moment to realize this. So far, you've seen how small, simple methods can support joint comfort, mental clarity, skin hydration, and none of them required anything complicated. But there's one more area many people quietly worry about. When they look in the mirror and notice their hair becoming thinner, weaker, less full than before. In the next part, we'll go over a simple nighttime method that may help support healthier looking hair using something you already have. Stay with me, you'll want to see this. Have you started noticing more hair left behind on your pillow, or a little more scalp showing in the mirror than before? It doesn't happen all at once, but one day, you realize something has changed. The quiet concern many people don't talk about: hair thinning is something many people experience as they age, but very few openly talk about it. It creeps in slowly, a bit less volume than before, a slightly wider part, more strands in the comb, after brushing, and while it may not be painful, it can affect how you see yourself. George's realization: George, 75, had always been known for his thick silver hair. It was something he took pride in. But over time, he began to notice subtle changes. The top of his head didn't look as full. The texture felt different. At first, he brushed it off, but eventually, it started bothering him more than he expected. Not because of appearance alone, but because it felt like something was slipping away. The simple routine he committed to George didn't turn to anything complicated. No expensive treatments, no drastic changes. Just a small, repeatable routine, done a few nights each week. What he did step by step before going to bed: about 3 times a week, he mixed a simple blend. 1 teaspoon black seed oil, 1 teaspoon coconut oil or olive oil. This helped make the texture lighter and easier to spread. Then he parted his hair gently into sections, applied small amounts directly onto the scalp, massaged slowly, for about 5 minutes. No rushing, no force. Just calm, circular movements. Why? The massage matters more than you think. Many people assume the oil does all the work, but that's only part of the picture. Your hair grows from tiny structures beneath the skin called follicles, and those follicles depend on healthy blood flow, oxygen delivery, nutrient supply. When circulation in the scalp slows down, those roots don't get the support they need. What this routine helps support by combining gentle massage with oil application, this method may help encourage better circulation in the scalp, support a healthier environment for hair roots, reduce dryness and irritation over time. This can influence how your hair feels and appears. What George noticed at first: nothing seemed different, but he kept going. Weeks passed, then one day during a routine visit to the barber, something unexpected happened. The barber paused, ran his hand through George's hair, and said, "It feels different, fuller somehow. What have you been doing?" That moment said more than any mirror could. Where most people go wrong, this is where many people miss results. They apply oil but skip the massage, expect changes within days, or use inconsistent routines, and when nothing happens quickly, they stop. But this isn't about speed, it's about consistency over time. How to do it the right way to get the most out of this method. Focus on the scalp, not just the hair strands. Use gentle, slow movements, no pressure or scratching. Leave the oil on overnight, wash it out the next morning. Tip: place a towel on your pillow or wear a soft cap to keep things clean. A different perspective: hair changes with age, that's natural. But supporting your scalp environment, even in small ways, can influence how your hair looks and feels over time. Now let's move to something many people deal with every single day, but rarely talk about openly. That heavy, uncomfortable feeling after eating, the bloating, the gas, the sluggish digestion. In the next part, we'll go over a simple tea method, using just a few drops, that may help your stomach feel calmer and lighter. Stay with me. This one surprises a lot of people. That heavy, tight feeling after eating, when your stomach feels stretched and uncomfortable. What if something as simple as a warm drink, with just a few drops added, could help you feel lighter again? The daily discomfort: many people accept digestive discomfort is more common than most people admit. It shows up quietly, but consistently. That bloated feeling after meals, gas that makes you uncomfortable, a heavy stomach that doesn't seem to settle, and over time it starts affecting more than just your body. The hidden impact: you begin to second-guess your food choices. Avoid certain meals, skip invitations, worry about how your stomach might react. It's not just discomfort anymore, it's something that slowly limits your lifestyle. Susan's experience: Susan loved spending time with family, especially around the dinner table. But over the years, something changed. Even simple meals would leave her feeling bloated, sluggish, uncomfortable for hours. She began dreading the very thing she once enjoyed most. Until she tried one small habit. The simple after-meal ritual after eating. Susan didn't reach for anything complicated. She kept it simple. She made a warm cup of ginger tea, then added just a couple of drops of black seed oil. She stirred it gently and sipped it slowly. That was it. Why this combination feels so effective? This works because it combines warmth with gentle support. Ginger has long been used to support digestion and bring a sense of warmth to the stomach. Black seed oil in very small amounts may help support a more relaxed digestive response and overall balance in the gut. Together, they create a calming effect rather than overwhelming the system. What's really causing that heavy feeling? That tight, bloated sensation often comes from slowed movement in the digestive system, trapped gas, mild tension in the gut. When everything feels stuck, your stomach feels heavier than it should. What this habit helps support: a warm, soothing drink combined with small, intentional use may help. Encourage smoother digestion, ease that tight, uncomfortable feeling, help your stomach feel lighter after meals. The biggest mistake people make, this is where things often go wrong. People assume, if a little helps, more must be better. But in this case, that approach can backfire. Too much oil can feel heavy, and may even create more discomfort. What actually works, the difference comes down to restraint and consistency. Use only a few drops. Mix it well into a warm drink. Sip slowly. Don't rush, think of it as a gentle nudge for your system, not a strong push. What Susan noticed after a few days of doing this consistently, she started to feel a difference. Meals felt lighter, her stomach felt calmer. That lingering discomfort began to fade, and gradually she stopped worrying about eating with others. Why small habits matter most sometimes. The biggest relief doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing something small. But doing it right? A warm cup, a few drops, a moment to let your body settle? Now, let's talk about something that affects everything. Your mood, your energy, even how your body recovers. Sleep. In the final part, we'll go over a simple nighttime habit that may help you relax more deeply, and the surprising reason you should never use a metal spoon with black seed oil. Stay with me, this last part connects everything together. You finally lie down, your body feels tired, but your mind refuses to slow down. Thought after thought, turn after turn. What if a simple 2-minute habit could help your body switch into sleep mode naturally? Why sleep gets harder after 60 as we age. Falling asleep isn't always as easy as it used to be. You close your eyes, but your mind keeps replaying the day, or jumping ahead to tomorrow. You shift positions, adjust your pillow, check the clock again, and somehow, hours pass. The real problem isn't just sleep, it's what comes after. That heavy, tired feeling the next day. Low energy, difficulty focusing. It slowly affects everything. Your mood, your patience, your overall well-being. A simple nighttime ritual. This isn't complicated. No long routine, no effort. Just a quiet, intentional moment before bed. What to do, step by step before getting into bed. Place 2 to 3 drops of black seed oil into your palm. Rub your hands together, gently massage the oil into the soles of your feet. Spend about 1 minute on each foot. Move slowly, around the heel. Along the arch across the front of the foot, no pressure, no rushing. Just calm, steady movements. Why this feels so calming? This method works in a different way, not by forcing sleep, but by helping your body shift into a relaxed state. Your feet contain many nerve endings, and when you focus on slow, repetitive touch, your attention moves away from racing thoughts. Instead of thinking, you start feeling, and that shift alone can help quiet the mind. The real power is in the routine. It's not just about the oil. It's about what your body begins to recognize. When you repeat this nightly, your body starts associating it with rest. Your system begins to slow down naturally. Your mind becomes less active over time. It becomes a signal. It's time to sleep. Simple tip for better results after applying the oil. Wear soft cotton socks. This helps keep your sheets clean. Allows the oil to absorb gradually overnight. What people often notice with consistency, many people describe a calmer feeling before sleep. Less restlessness at night. More comfortable. Uninterrupted rest. The small mistake that reduces results. Now here's something most people completely overlook, and it can quietly reduce the quality of the oil you're using. Why you should avoid metal spoons. High-quality black seed oil contains delicate natural compounds. These compounds are what give it its value. But when the oil repeatedly comes into contact with certain metals, a subtle process can begin. It's called oxidation. What that means in simple terms, over time, this can weaken the oil's natural properties, reduce its overall quality, make it less effective than it should be. You won't notice it immediately, but gradually it makes a difference. What to use instead? To preserve the quality of the oil, use wooden spoons, glass droppers, ceramic utensils. These materials don't react with the oil. Why details like this matter? Most people focus only on what they use, how much they use, but overlook how they handle it. And sometimes it's the smallest details that create the biggest difference. Let's quickly bring everything together. Today, you discovered a better way to support joint comfort, a small daily habit for mental clarity, a natural skin-soothing method, a gentle routine for healthier-looking hair, a calming approach for digestion, and a simple ritual to support better sleep, plus one small mistake to avoid. Improving how you feel doesn't always require big changes. Often, it's the small, consistent habits that quietly reshape your day-to-day life, one step at a time, one routine at a time, because real change doesn't happen overnight. It happens in what you do consistently.